At Prisma Photonics, we work with utility partners throughout North America on deploying grid-enhancing technologies that provide greater resiliency and reliability to the bulk transmission system and grid. Prisma Photonics technology works by monitoring the existing fiber network. So fiber or optical ground wire is typically installed in the shield wire of the bulk transmission system. And that is covered for about 50% of our total grid is covered with fiber of some sort. So what we're able to do is put a beacon in the substation and then attach to one of those dark fibers. And through our Hyper-Scan technology, we are able to provide all kind of resiliency analytics as well as dynamic line rating. The most critical part of dynamic line rating is wind speed and wind direction, and that's what we're able to do at a span level of your system. In a dynamic line rating calculation, the most critical component is the effective wind speed. And so measuring wind speed and direction is critical to having the most accurate line rating. We're able to do that continuously at the span level. We utilize the existing fiber, which is remarkably different than using a discrete sensor. A discrete sensor, you have to use predictive analytics into where you want to place the sensor on the system itself. And you can't place a sensor everywhere. What we're able to do at Prisma Photonics is utilize the existing fiber and then continuously monitor the entire transmission line. Why that is so important? Because you're able to pinpoint anomaly events, transient electrical events, large weather events as well, at a span level of accuracy. The user interface is then going to pinpoint exactly where that happened so that the power company can then roll a truck to that particular span and then decrease the time in the field and decrease outage time.